Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Mega money being pumped into Terra Classic today. Now over $72.5 million has been pumped into Terra Classic today in the past 24 hours. As of yesterday, Terra Classic trading volume was about $52 million, and as of today, we can see this recording over $124 million, making it about $72.5 million more being added, being traded on Terra Classic, and especially on Binance. Now I hope that this is a good news. But Terra Classic today have actually gained over 7%. So many coins have been gaining a lot. Now with this trading volume, I believe we hope to get more traders who will be trading more of Terra Classic, and we hope that BTC will continue to rise and BTC will continue to affect Terra Classic positively. Now for me, I believe that $72.5 million is a lot of money that have been traded today, because this is one of the most important thing is money has been flowing into Terra Classic as of based on this analysis. Okay, because we're talking about yesterday 52, today 124, and an increase of over 157. Now Terra Classic, to be sincere with you, this is going to really increase, because this money is actually, most people that actually traded today were already buying. They were just buying. Most of them were buying because of the recent bump, recent increase in price. And I believe that if this continue, we keep recording high level of trade volume, we are going, especially on Binance. Next burning, Binance will be burning billions. I mean billions and billions of Terra Classic coin. Now this coin have continued to rise. I hope that Terra Classic will continue to pump. I hope that Terra Classic will continue to rise massively very soon. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.